Welcome to DevNet Associate Virtual Lab built on Eve NG. In this video, we'll explore the lab components and tasks that will be implemented on the lab. We have 4 different components in the lab: iOS XE CSR 1000V, 16.6.4 Everest, and 16.9.1 Fuji. NEXUS NX OS V9K 7.0.3 and Linux Ubuntu Desktop 16.4.4, and we will install Python 3 on the Linux Ubuntu Desktop so we can develop scripts for the Cisco devices. The tasks that will be implemented on the lab: NETCONF scripts for Cisco iOS XE, RESTCONF scripts for Cisco iOS XE, programmability for NEXUS with NX API CLI, and programmability for NEXUS with NX API REST.